Steph Curry from distance.
Job of that in the early portion of the season.
Harris shooting it at 58% from three entering this game. And
There's Jerebko on the glass. Durant doesn't feel like anyone can stop him.
He does a great job protecting the ball.
Dudley just wildly threw that away. And Draymond to a filling McKinney. He was going to lay that in and then just said, I'm high enough to dunk it. By Hollis Jefferson, Draymond saving it. Steph hiding behind Jordan. And there's the record. Nobody's...
Curry is playing with so much energy.
Drop it back, there's the lob.
And Damian Jones gets his first basket.
Dinwiddie puts it on the deck. And McKinney blocking the shot.
Great timing.
Alfonso, a little fade away and banking it home.
He is really cool.
Sager.
Oh, wow.
Working in Atlanta.
I knew it was in Atlanta.
Oh,